All right, I want to talk to you about sciatica a little bit. And I see it online all the time. It says stretches to relieve sciatic pain or stretches for sciatica. Or sometimes people message me and ask me what stretches they can do for sciatica. Here's the thing, is sciatica is a symptom. It's not a cause, right? So it is impossible to tell you what stretches to do unless you know what's causing the sciatica, all right? So a lot of times these sciatica stretches, these just generic stretches, you got as good a chance of these stretches making you worse as you do as making you better, all right? So let me explain. So here's your spinal cord inside your vertebra, and then out each side, these are spinal nerve roots, okay? So these spinal nerve roots come out, it's your lumbar plexus, and they come together and they form a nerve that goes down the back of your leg like this. So as they come down, that nerve becomes the sciatic nerve, okay? So what happens is the most common cause of sciatica is actually you have an injured disc, and the disc bulges out and puts pressure on a nerve root, and you get referred pain and you feel it down your sciatic nerve, and then you get sciatica. Here's the thing, if you have an injured disc, you don't want to be stretching. There's no stretches that are good for the lumbar disc, all right? So a lot of the stretches I see for sciatica, where you like pull your knees to the chest or bend and twist, that's actually gonna be making you worse. So the other thing that could happen is you could have, the sciatic nerve you could have a tight piriformis muscle, putting pressure on the sciatic nerve, then maybe some stretches may help if you loosen up that muscle, take some pressure off, or you maybe just have damaged the nerve itself. So regardless, before you do any sort of sciatic stretches or anything, you have to identify the cause of the problem. So be very, very careful when you see anyone just giving really generic information, because it's like throwing darts, right? You may get lucky and give a stretch that helps someone, but there's just as good a chance or better chance that the advice you're giving is gonna make somebody worse, all right? So please, before you take any advice, make sure you find out what's causing your sciatic pain. More often than not, it's a lumbar disc issue, which requires a lot more strengthening and rest and things other than stretching, all right?